Hello students, good morning. Welcome to maths class. Last class we learned about standard angles of the standard values of trigonometry functions at standard angles we learned. Now I am going to discuss about the applications of those one. Evaluate. Before I start these problems, just I write the table. Till you get the table, you try to write as many times as possible here. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Sine 0, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Cos is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Tan is 0 by 1, 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinity. These are the standard values. Minimum these three you must remember it. Okay? Minimum these three you need to remember it, or else better learn remaining also. Secant is reciprocal of, what are the reciprocal? Secant is reciprocal of cos. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 by 1, undefined. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine. Okay. 1 by 0, infinity, 2 by 1, root 2, 2 by root 3, and 1. Cot is reciprocal of tan, means infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. This rough work every time you write here, even in examination also better write this table so that you can write the values. You can use the values faster. So evaluate. First question is sine 30 degrees plus sine 45 degrees. Simple question I do. Sine 30 degrees value is 1 by 2 plus sine 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2. Since I don't get anything common, so take the LCM. These two are 2 into root 2. Root 2 plus 2. Root 2 plus 2. This is your simplest value. That's it. Next one is sine 45 degrees plus cot 45 degrees. Sine 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2 plus cot 45 degrees is 1. Cot 45 degrees is 1. Take the LCM root 2. 1 plus root 2 into 1 root 2. After that I don't get any more simplification. If required you rationalize, otherwise simplest answer is being given, then you must rationalize it. Now sine 30 degrees plus cos 45 degrees minus tan 45 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2 plus cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 minus 1. Now this is equal to, if I take the LCM direct or 1 by 2 minus 1 also simplify, your wish. Now 2 root 2 I take LCM, root 2 plus 1 minus 1, 2 it is, 2 minus 1. 2 root 2 LCM I do. 2 root 2 LCM I do. 2 methods I explain. 2 root 2. 2 cancel, root 2 into 1 root 2. Root 2 root 2 cancel, plus into plus 2 1s are 2. Minus into plus minus. And here no denominator 1 by 1. 1 into 2 root 2 is 2 root 2. Now if I simplify here, this is a root 2 and this is a 2 root 2. Mean they are similar sets. X minus 2x, it is nothing but. So 2 minus root 2 by 2 root 2, or else you can do in this way also. 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2, sorry, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by 2, because plus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by minus 1 by 2. That is equal to, if I take LCM 2 root 2, this is 2 minus root 2. Anything you can do, sir. Please write down. Okay. Here one more point you need to remember here. Very important is sine square theta is nothing but a sine theta whole square we can write. Keep it in mind. Squares whole square also we can write. Okay. This square is not for the sine sir, because sine is a word until and unless you join with the theta. That means the square applied means this total term square it is. Means sine theta whole square. Means here sine square 30 degrees is nothing but a sine 30 degrees whole square. Sine 30 degrees whole square. That doesn't mean sir sine square into 30 square 900. Wrong sir, this one. This is not AB whole power m. This is total one only. Sine 30 degrees value square we have to do. Remember it. Evaluate sine square 45 degrees plus cot 30 degrees cot square 30 degrees. So sine square 45 degrees means sine 45 degrees whole square plus cot 30 degrees whole square. Sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 whole square plus cot 30 degrees is root 3 whole square. That is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3. Cancel, root cancel. Now take the LCM to 1 plus 2 3s are 6. That is equal to 7 by LCM I took, sir. 2 3s are 6. 7 by 2. Sine square 60 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees. Sine square 60 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees. So sine square 60 degrees is what is here? Sine 60 degrees whole square plus cos 60 degrees whole square. That is equal to sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 whole square plus cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2 whole square. That is equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Take the LCM for 3 plus 1. That is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. That means sine square cos square with same angle. The result always 1. The result always 1. So therefore sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The angle is same and the square of the sine and cos is result is 1. Very important property it is. Identity it is. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Write down. Next. Another question. 2 tan square 30 degrees plus cos square 45 degrees minus secant 0 degrees. This is 2 tan 30 degrees whole square will be right. So this is wrong. This square applies only for the function, not to the 2. So 2 is just a quotient. Just a quotient. 2 into tan 30 degrees whole square plus cos 45 degrees whole square minus secant 0 degrees. That is equal to 2 into tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square is plus cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. Since it has a this also has a square minus secant 0 degrees. Secant is reciprocal of cos. Cos 0 is 1. So 1 here. This is equal to 2 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. This can be written as a 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Now take the LCM 6. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 minus 6. That is equal to 7 minus 6 by 6. That is equal to 1 by 6. This is your final result. Okay? 2 tan square 30 degrees. This is tan 30 degrees. Don't apply. The square applies only this function, not to the quotient. 2 tan 30 degrees whole square plus cos 45 degrees whole square minus secant 0 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square minus secant 0 is 1. That is a 2 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. That is a 1 by 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. LCM I took 6. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 minus 6. 4 plus 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 by 6. Okay, write down. Based on this only, you have the exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2. While solving this type of value questions, go through with the table, sir. Don't skip the table, learn the table perfectly. Evaluate. The first question is sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Now take the LCM root 2, 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 by root 2. If I simplify this one, this can be written as a 2 root 2 by 2. 2 root 2 by 2. 2 2 cancel. Root 2 also we can write. Generally, this simplified answer, some objective examination, competitive exams, they may ask. Or else you may write till here only, no issue. Cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 60 degrees. Cos 45 degrees, this is completed, sir. Cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 by secant 30 degrees. Secant 30 degrees is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60 degrees is 2 by root 3 again. Now this can be written as a 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2, 4 by root 3, because 1 by root 2 by 4 by root 3. If I reciprocal it, 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 4, that is equal to root 3 by 4 root 2 is your final answer. 4 root 2 is your final answer. Please write down. Third question. Sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees whole by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. Just the substitution of values only, sir, this one. Sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degrees 1 minus cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3 whole by cot 45 degrees 1 plus cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2 minus secant 30 degrees. Secant 30 degrees is 2 by root 3. Now take the LCM. 2 root 3 take LCM. Now 2 common, root 3 into 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus root 3 root 3 cancel, 2 2s are 4. The same way you can write this one as a 2 root 3 here, 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 2 2s are 4. This cancel. After that, this numerator also will get cancelled here. So this is 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4. These two cancel. Its answer is 1. Sir, why we have to solve here, sir? Sometimes you may not get cancellation here itself. After simplification, you may get cancellation. Here also you can cancel 1 by 2, 1 by 2 positive, 1 1 positive, minus 2 by root 3 minus 2 by root 3. You can cancel here itself only. After substituting the values only, you can't cancel these functions here. Okay? Either you can cancel here itself or after the simplification also cancel. Your answer will be 1. Answer will be 1. This is your third question. Okay? Make it faster. Next. Fourth question. 2 tan square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. 2 into tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 by root 3 whole square. Cos 30 degrees value is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60 degrees is again root 3 by 2 since it has a square whole square. So 2 into 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. These two get cancelled. 2 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3 is your answer. Okay. Next, last question in this first domain. Fifth question. Secant square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. Secant square 30 degrees 60 degrees is secant 60 degrees is 2. 2 whole square minus tan 60 degrees is root 3. Root 3 whole square by sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2 whole square minus cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2 whole square. That is equal to 4 minus 3 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. This is equal to 1 by LCM is 1 plus 3 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 4 by 4. Cancel. 1 by 1. That is equal to 1 is your final answer. Here also you can learn it is a secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is another identity, sir. 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Angle same, square, square. Secant and minus tan square is 1. Okay. Please write down with this in 11.2 first main completed. The rest of the problems I'll discuss in next class. Thank you very much.